Donna Ellis is a peer counselor with the Western Ottawa Community Resource Centre. At a restaurant in Canada, a group of her fellow volunteers come together in solidarity for women affected by domestic violence.
We're celebrating women. Women have come a long way in Canada, but there's a long way to go. There's another side to the coin that isn't too pleasant.
Ellis is part of the fundraising group Coalition for Kathleen. The group is dedicated to building a house for domestic abuse victim Kathleen Lavoie and her 3 children.
She is a 43-year-old woman who is living in a nursing home. In July 2007, her boyfriend shot her in the neck and she was left paralyzed from the waist down. And he came with a brown paper bag, and her young son answered the door, and the young son asked him, "What's in the bag?" And he said, "I have a present for your mom." Her life was totally changed. She lost custody of her 3 children. What we're trying to do right now is, first of all, move her to a different location.
Like, what's sort of the bigger picture here?
The bigger picture is to end violence against women. Another picture is the fact that there really are not, there are no places for people like Kathleen when they do have some terrible situation, some tragedy like what happened to her.
Today, on International Women's Day, the Coalition for Kathleen launched a fund to help Kathleen build a new house. Donations can be made at Scotiabanks throughout Ottawa. Alicia Hosham, CJTV News, Ottawa.